It's been a while since we posted, and there's some pretty good reasons for that. Yeah, we've been keeping a secret, but we'll get into that. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Heart and Home channel. It's been a while since we posted, and there's some pretty good reasons for that.
Yeah.
We are in the build, and what's been going on, why our lives have been so crazy, and some news.
We're keeping a secret.
Yeah, we've been keeping a secret, but we'll get into that. So first off, we are more or less in the same stage that we've been in. The RV is not really done, but I'm the only one living out of it because we don't have power or water or anything like that.
Kevin has been in the RV at the property since mid-May. So, and we thought we would get power within like 4 weeks.
Yeah.
And joke's on us because it's now, middle of July.
Yeah, long story short, had to dig a whole nother trench, had to jackhammer that out by hand, or I guess not really by hand, I was using a jackhammer. But it wasn't fun, and so that took me an extra week, and then I sandbedded and all that stuff, only to have the county spray paint some illegible stuff on the ground and think that that was fine. And they couldn't get a hold of me, and then I called them and found out that I have to do the conduit as well. Turns out that Everywhere is sold out of one of the pieces of conduit that I needed, so I had to special order that. And so finally got that today, and we'll hopefully be getting power to the job site soon. That'll be.
Then the girls and I could officially move into the fifth wheel with him.
I've been staying up until like 11:30 every night because I just can't get to sleep because it's too hot.
And we have a generator, but like especially during the day, as soon as you cut the generator, it is hot again in 5 minutes. So it's like not worth it.
Yeah, not great. And our trailer's in pretty good shape.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's not. I think it's just a problem with RVs.
Yeah, not a lot of insulation. So that's what's happened. It's been a series of unfortunate events. It's felt like very comical. Luckily, my parents live less than 5 minutes away from the property. So the girls and I have been over there. Kevin's been at the property, but we're able to be together every day. We just don't sleep under the same roof.
Yeah.
Not ideal, but you got to do what you got to do.
Yeah. And then on the house, we have all of our plumbing, trenching dug, and sandbedded. I'm just waiting for a friend to come and help me with that, and then we're getting our pipe delivered this week, and so we'll be getting started on that soon, and then we working on slab prep after that. But yeah, it's taking its sweet time.
Yeah, so that's where we've been. Can't really upload a ton of videos because we don't have power at the property. I'm actually going to be editing this video, and also there's been nothing to film. Like to watch Kevin dig trenches.
It's not exciting.
So boring. So
I actually did record it, and then in the process of getting it on the computer, I lost all the footage, and I kind of just decided, you know what, this is really boring anyway, and we're kind of in a lull, so might as well just not bother everyone with digging.
Yeah. Okay, well, now to move on to our news. Yeah. We are pregnant! Yay! Baby number 3.
Yeah.
So, we're excited.
Yeah, so it's kind of funny. They're probably going to be coming when we're still in the RV. So pray for us.
People do it all the time. It'll be fine. Babies don't take up that much room.
Sure. Just all the stuff that goes with them does.
Yeah.
Thankfully, we'll have our slab in and everything like that, and so we'll have some room for storage inside the house.
We're excited. The girls are really excited to be Olive big sister again, and Pepper the first big sister for the first time. So that'll be really great. Yeah. And we're really excited. We should find out the gender next month. Yep. So due in February.
Yep, it's gonna be exciting. Let's see here, but that's really, I think that's it. I think that's all that we have going on right now. We're probably still going to be a little sporadic uploading here for a while, and And we've just got a bunch of other things going on in our lives right now that everything is so chaotic. I can't even handle everything that's on my plate without even getting into YouTube stuff.
Yeah.
So it's been really challenging. There's more going on.
We have even more to talk about, but it would make this video too long. So stay tuned. We'll keep you posted.
Yeah. I'll see you later, guys.
Yeah. Bye.